Dear students, we were discussing about preparation of aldehydes and ketones. In the first part, we have seen exclusively preparation of aldehydes and ketones. In the second part, preparation of exclusively ketones. Preparation of exclusively aldehydes. Only aldehydes. Earlier, aldehydes and ketones. Now only aldehydes. Third one, only ketones. Only benzaldehyde. Fourth one, only ketones. Now preparation of aldehydes. First method, Rosenmund's reduction. Rosenmund's reduction. The reduction, immediately on hearing Rosenmund's reduction, palladium and barium sulfate should come into your mind. Palladium is the catalyst for hydrogenation, reduction, hydrogenation, whatever it may be. And the barium sulfate is catalyst poison. What for that poison is used? Usually, when an acid halide, say acetyl chloride, it is an acid halide, acetyl chloride. Common name acetyl chloride, IUPAC name ethanol chloride. When acetyl chloride is reduced using palladium and barium sulfate, what is happening? Palladium is a catalyst for hydrogenation, that is reduction. If simply palladium is used, what would have happened? CS3, C double bond O, Cl. To start with, reduction occurs here. Here one hydrogen, here one hydrogen. It will give acetaldehyde. Further, what will happen? The carbon-oxygen bond is also cleaved. One bond is cleaved. Out of two bonds, one bond is cleaved to give hydrogen and hydrogen. You will be getting CS3, CHOH, CH2OH, CS3, CH2OH. Since we are using barium sulfate, it acts as a catalyst poison. It stops the reduction at this stage. This reduction will not get involved. Only this much. So double bond O is not disturbed. Selective reduction. Reduction only up to this. It will result in the formation of CS3, C double bond O, H and HCl. Reduction only up to this much. Here one hydrogen, here one hydrogen. Because it is a catalyst poison, it won't allow the reduction to happen across the carbonyl group. So very important, Rosenmund's reduction means palladium barium sulfate. Barium sulfate is poison for palladium catalyst. Therefore, reduction is stopped up to acetaldehyde or aldehyde, any aldehyde. If any other acid halide is used, you will be getting corresponding aldehyde. Acetaldehyde, ethanol. It is ethanol chloride. Alright. Next one. Second reaction. Stefan's reaction. Here also reduction. Stefan's reduction, I can say, or Stefan's reaction. In Stefan's reaction, what is happening? Alkyl cyanide, CS3, C triple bond N. Any cyanide I can use. Methyl cyanide, ethyl cyanide, propyl cyanide, any cyanide. It is methyl cyanide. Cyanomethane, that's also the name, cyanomethane. But IUPAC name, 1,2-ethane nitrile. Ethane nitrile. When ethane nitrile is reduced using stannous chloride and HCl. Stannous chloride and HCl. To start with, addition across the triple bond. Two hydrogen atoms. Instead of three bonds, only one bond is broken. CS3, C, triple bond N. Instead of the three bonds, one bond is broken to give hydrogen and hydrogen. You will be getting the product CS3, CH double bond NH. Here one hydrogen, triple bond will become double bond. Acetaldimine. Amine means NH2. It is imine. So acetaldimine and imine. So to start with, we are getting imine. It undergoes hydrolysis. Again, the presence of acid. Acid hydrolysis. What is happening? A water molecule, OH, a water molecule, cleavage occurs like this. A water molecule is added across the double bond. Instead of the two bonds, double bond O. Instead of these two bonds, one hydrogen. You'll be getting CH3, C, double bond OH, acetaldehyde. With carbon hydrogen, I can elaborate right like this: CH3, C, bond H. So, a double bond O, acetaldehyde, and then ammonia. Acetaldehyde and ammonia. Ethanol, methyl cyanide, ethane nitride, imine, we can call it as acetaldimine. How it formed, I explained: CH3C, triple bond N, H. With that, one bond is broken, here one hydrogen, that's what I said. Maybe called as acetaldimine, aldimine. Simply imine, aldimine, acetaldimine, all are correct. Third reaction, selective reduction of cyanide. It is cyanide. Only triple bond is available here. Suppose if we have one more double bond between carbon to carbon, that should not get disturbed. For that we need selective reduction. CH3, CH, double bond CH, bond CH2, bond CH2, bond CN. What may be the name? It is also a nitrile cyanide. Let me start writing the name: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. IUPAC name better. Hex, fluorine, nitrile. Nitrile should be at the first carbon atom. Fluorine, nitrile. Hexene, ene is the fourth carbon atom. First carbon atom we have nitrile. Hexene, nitrile. Here, without disturbing this double bond, only here addition should occur. Therefore, selective, this method, they didn't write the method name, selective reduction of cyanides. That is nitrile. Here also cyanide. Stefan's reduction also involves cyanide. That also involves nitrile, but it is selective reduction. Only at this place reduction should occur. For that we use a reagent called diisobutyl aluminum hydride. Diisobutyl aluminum hydride. Diisobutyl aluminum hydride. It can be written like this: diisobutyl aluminum hydride. DIBAL. Diisobutyl aluminum hydride. It can also be written like this: aluminum hydride diisobutyl. I can write like this: isobutyl. Twice. Diisobutyl. What is isobutyl after all? CH3, CH, CH3, CH. It is isobutyl. This group twice. That is ALH, isobutyl twice. That is enough. it reduces only across the carbon nitrogen bond, like here, exactly like this. CH3, it is not disturbed. CH, double bond CH, bond CH2, bond CH2, CH, double bond N, because it is C triple bond N, don't forget. CH double bond NH, here one hydrogen, here one hydrogen. At the first step, addition of hydrogen. Second step, hydrolysis. First step, second step, hydrolysis. So if second step also involved, this is getting involved. So this is broken. It will become CHO, removal of ammonia. That's all. So both these steps are written in the single step. Diisobutyl aluminum, first as just like Stephen's reaction, the reaction will occur, followed by hydrolysis results in the formation of hex 4-ene, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4-ene aldehyde, 4-ene aldehyde, enol, Al. The suffix for aldehyde is Al, hex 4-enol. So that is about preparation of exclusively aldehyde. Just three simple reactions we have seen. What are they? Rosenmund's reduction, acid chloride with palladium barium sulfate results in the formation of aldehyde. Just the reduction here, barium sulfate is the catalyst poison. In Stephen's reaction, stannous chloride has Cl. First addition here, hydrolysis result in the formation of aldehyde. Third method, selective reduction of cyanide, same thing, more or less same thing, reagent is different. Diisobutyl aluminum hydride, diisobutyl aluminum hydride, and then hydrolysis. Together we have written the equation. We have skipped this and the final equation we have written. That's all. So with that we end up with preparation of aldehydes. Thank you.